Hello everyone, my name is Alfred and today I want to tell you a little about myself. When I was a child, I was very curious and energetic. I played soccer with my friends and visited my grandparents every Sunday. Sometimes I fell and hurt my knee, but I was always happy and smiling. As I grew up, student hard and become a teacher. Last year, I worked in a beautiful school near the mountains. I meet great students and learn many new things. Now I sometimes feel tired or have a headache because I work a lot. When that happens, I drink water, rest my body, and take short walks in the park on weekend. I also practice mountain biking and towns near the city. Breathing fresh air makes me very happy and relaxed. I really love nature and being outdoors. Doing exercise helps me feel better and stay healthy. I think it's important to take care of our body and mind. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you, Professor Diana. Good evening. Bye bye.